Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to share location on Google Maps. So to do that, let's head over to our Google Maps. And once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the top right. And in here you will find the option of location sharing. So tap on it. And once you are there, just tap on share location. And here, share your real-time location with friends and family. They can see where you are and share with your across Google apps and services. Your location is updated even when the app is not in use. So share location. And here you will find the share your real-time location. You can just turn increase the time length of your location sharing, and you can also change it to until you turn this off. And here are the people from which you can just choose to share someone with someone. And once you click a person or choose a person and then tap on share, and your location will be shared with that specific person in your Google Maps. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.